Hey there, agents. Welcome in. Let's just call it like it is. AI is not going to replace real estate agents. But agents who learn how to use AI? Yeah, they'll absolutely replace the ones who don't. Today's session is all about getting ahead of the curve, simplifying your business, and getting more done in less time with zero guesswork. And the best part? No tech background required. If you can copy and paste, you can use this. Here's what we're diving into. Real examples you can swipe and use right now. Simple prompts that make your life easier. And one cheat sheet to rule them all. So before we dive in, let me ask you, what's one task in your business you'd love to offload or make easier? So think about it. You might just solve it today. All right, let's talk real world use cases. First up, listing descriptions. Want a luxury listing write-up for a 4-bedroom in Scottsdale? Done. Need something playful and fun for first-time buyers? Easy. Want it under 850 characters for MLS? Say less. Social media content, this one's a goldmine. You can ask for 30 Instagram post ideas for sellers, or punchy captions with hashtags and emojis. Even hook lines for reels about buyer myths. AI's got your back. Next, lead follow-up. Whether it's a text to a buyer who ghosted you, or an email to re-engage a cold seller lead, AI makes following up feel like less of a chore and more like magic. Scripts for phone calls, videos, or even objections. You can get a FSBO call script, a 60-second reel, or how to respond when someone says, "We're waiting for rates to drop." Farming letters and postcards? Need a just sold flyer? Monthly postcards to equity homeowners? Or a hyperlocal note about low inventory in your farm? It's handled. Newsletters. AI can help you write a 4-part email with an intro, market update, a homeowner tip, and a vendor spotlight. Need a catchy subject line? Prompt it. Need a newsletter article? Just ask. Email campaigns and drips. From 5-part seller lead sequences to open house follow-ups and monthly updates for your past clients, AI helps you stay top of mind without staying up all night. Listing brochures and flyers, trifolds, bullet points, lifestyle blurbs, whatever you need to make your listing shine, AI delivers clean copy that sells. Market updates? Confused about days on market, year-over-year comparisons, or absorption rates? AI can simplify it for your Facebook post, a buyer consultation, or a quick market email. You don't have to be an economist, just know how to prompt. And lastly, event planning and client touches. Want to host a fun ice cream social? Need catchy names for your fall appreciation event? Or a follow-up for that no-show RSVP? All doable in seconds. Now, let's level up with a few AI hacks that'll blow your mind. First, role play with tough conversations. AI can act like a skeptical FSBO, a picky buyer, or a seller who's grilling you on commission. Practice makes perfect, you'll be prepared. Second, write for personas. Want a message that speaks to millennial buyers relocating from LA? Or downsizing retirees in 85020? Prompt AI like it's your marketing assistant, because, well, it is. Third, turn jargon into real talk. If your client's confused about contingencies or days on market, AI helps you explain it in language your grandma would understand. Fourth, batch 30 days of content in one sitting. Seriously. One prompt, one coffee. Done for the month. Fifth, use AI as your built-in coach-like buddy. Please note this does not replace coaching. Stuck at 1-2 deals a month? Only have 2 hours a day to work? Ask AI for a plan. Need a 90-day strategy around referrals and YouTube? It's got it. Now, a quick note about platform formatting. AI understands where the content's going. MLS? Keep it under 850 characters, no emojis. Instagram? Max it out with hashtags and engagement. YouTube? SEO friendly, keyword packed, curiosity driven. Facebook? Casual, warm, with a solid call to action. Speaking of YouTube, AI can help you optimize everything. Need titles that actually get clicked? Prompts like, "Give me 10 SEO friendly YouTube titles about buying in Phoenix" will get you results. Want stronger descriptions? Ask for a 300-word version using keywords like Phoenix homes, buyer's guide, and interest rates. Need tags or thumbnail ideas? Yep, it can do that too. Just prompt it. All right, let's bring this home. AI helps you move faster, follow up smarter, and market like a pro without burning out. It won't replace you, but it will amplify you. So here's your challenge. Pick one use case. Try 1-2 prompts this week and start saving the ones that work. Build your AI library. You'll thank yourself later. If you'd like the AI cheat sheet with all the prompts from today's training, just drop AI cheat in the comments and I'll get it to you. Now go put this to work and watch what happens. See you in the next video.